Amendments in IT Rules, 2021. On October 28, the central government notified amendments to the IT Rules, 2021. It replaces decade-old rules regulating social media intermediaries to make them more accountable towards providing open, safe and trusted Internet. Grievance Appellate Committees, GACs. The new rules pave the way for the establishment of, one, or more grievance appellate committees, GACs, within 3 months. These committees will enable users of social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter to get recourse to settle complaints without depending on the judiciary. SMIs are mandated to ensure that their users comply with the relevant rules of the social platform. Earlier, the rules only mandated SMIs to inform their users of the rules and regulation, privacy policy and user agreement. The SMIs are required to make reasonable efforts to prevent prohibited content from being hosted in their platforms. SMIs are required to remove information or communication links that belong to